Very good morning, dear students. Welcome back to RV online class. In previous class, we discussed about uses of plants. Ninth chapter, our green friends will continue today session. Okay. In previous class, we learned about which useful things we get from plants. Do you remember, students? Yes. Tell me. Those are vegetables, fruits, oil, spices, perfumes, medicines, garlands, tables and chairs, tea, coffee, sugar, chocolate, soaps, paper. Many things we get from plants. We eat all parts of plants as a vegetables. Do you remember which vegetables we eat? That is a root of the plant. Those are beetroot, carrot, radish and sweet potato are the root of the plants which we use as a vegetable. Then stems we eat potato, onion and ginger. These are the stems of the plants. Leaves, spinach, coriander and cabbage, lettuce. These are the leaves of the plants which we eat as a vegetable. Then flowers. We eat also flowers as a vegetables. That is cauliflower and broccoli. Fruits we eat. Fruits, many vegetables we eat fruits of the plants as a vegetable, which are brinjal, tomato, capsicum. Many things are the fruits of the vegetables. Fruit protect the seeds. Okay, and also we get cereals and pulses. Cereals and pulses are commonly known as dal. Cereal seeds plants used to make a flour. For example, wheat, rice, millet, and corn. And pulses, seeds of the plant that we use, which are cooked. This red gram and green gram. And also we get from tea. Tea from tea leaves. We use leaves of a plant as a tea. Coffee. We get coffee from coffee beans. Okay, that is the seeds of the plant which we use to make a coffee. Next, sugar. We get sugar also from plants. We use to make a sugarcane stem. Okay. Then chocolate is made from cocoa beans. Cocoa beans also seeds of the plants which we use to make a chocolate. Next, perfume. Flowers like jasmine, rose we use to make a perfumes. Okay. Garlands, we make garlands from flowers of the plant. Medicines, also we get medicines from plants. That's neem, amla and tulsi are used in medicines. Next, table and chair. We get also wood from plants. We make a furniture, tables, chairs, window, or doors, many more. We make a wood from those things. Next, also we get fibers from plants. We get cotton and jute fiber from plants. Cotton are used to make cloths. Okay, jute fiber. Jute fiber means what? The fibers is used to make bags, mats, ropes, and sacks. Some we kept rice and wheat in that sacks bag. No, we called it sacks. Used to make bags, mat, ropes, and sacks bags. And also we get oil from plants. Sunflower, mustard, and groundnut seeds are used to make oil. And also coconut is used for making oil. This much we learnt in previous class. Today's session we are going to learn about the types of plants. How many types are there, students? There are 5 types. There are 5 types in plants. According to size, some are plants are big, some are small. According to their size and stems, they are classified into 5 types. Those are trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. Okay. There, open your page number 51. There are many types of plants: trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. Okay, types of plants. Types of plants. Plants are classified into how many types, students? Yes, they are classified into 5 types. Which are those? First one is trees. Second, shrubs. Trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. Climbers and creepers. Creepers. These are 5 types of plants. Plants are classified into 5 types: trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. There are 5 types of plants. There are many types of plants. Some plants are very big, tall and have woody trunk. They are called trees. How tree looks, students? Trees are big, tall and strong plants. Okay. Trees are how tree looks? Trees are big, tall and have woody trunks. Woody trunks. Trees are big, tall and have woody trunks. Examples are coconut tree, banyan tree, mango tree, neem tree. These are the examples of trees. Trees are very big, tall and have woody trunks. Trunk means what, students? Trunks means stem of a tree. Stem of a tree. We call it as trunks. Okay. Tree means tree are big, tall and strong plants. We call it trees. Okay. Next, shrubs. Some plants are smaller than trees. Some plants are smaller than trees. They have hard branches. They are called shrubs. What do you mean by shrubs? Shrubs are plants are smaller than trees. Shrubs are smaller than trees. It have many branches. It have many branches. They have hard branches. They are called shrubs. Shrubs mean what, students? Plants are smaller than trees. These are smaller than trees. And they have branches. They have hard branches. Examples are rose plant, lemon. Rose plant and lemon are the examples of shrubs. Shrubs are smaller than trees. It have many branches. It have hard branches. For example, rose and lemon. Next, herbs. What do you mean by herbs? Some plants are very small. They have green and thin stems. They are very small and they have green and thin stems. Okay, they have weak stem. Herbs means are very small and weak plants. They have thin, green and soft stem. Okay. Some plants are very small. Very small. They have green and thin stems. Thin stems. Herbs. What are the example of herbs? Mint, parsley. Mint, parsley are the example of herbs. Okay. Next, climbers. Students, what do you mean by climbs? Climb means some plants cannot stand or on their own. They cannot stand on their own. They have a thin and long stems. They climb on other plants or walls. Okay. They climb on other plants or frames. They are called climbers. For example, money plant and grapevine are the examples for climbers. Okay. Climbers are plant with weak stem. Okay. They have a thin and long. Climbers means plants cannot stand their own. They have thin and long stems. Thin and long stems. They climb on other plant. They are called climbers. Examples are money plant and grapevine. Money plant and grapevine. Do you understand, students? What do you mean by climbers? Climbers have a weak stem. That's why they cannot stand their own. They climb on other plant or walls or frames, and they need support of stick. For example, money plant and a grapevine are the examples for climbers. Okay, next, creepers. What do you mean by creepers? Some plants lie on the ground. They are called creepers. Creepers are a weak plant that mostly grow along the ground. Creepers are the weak plants that mostly grow along the ground. Usually they bear a big tree. Okay. Creepers lie. Plants lie on the ground. On the ground. Lie on the ground. They are called creepers. Examples: pumpkin and watermelon. Watermelon. These are the creepers. Have you saw the pumpkin and watermelon? Usually they are big in size. So that's why creepers always bear a big fruit. Okay, students. There are how many types of plants are there, students? There are 5 types. They are trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, and creepers. These are the 5 types of plants. Trees are big, tall, and have woody trunks. Trunks mean what, students? Trunk is the stem of trees. Coconut tree, banyan tree. They have a thick and woody stem called trunk. They have many branches that bear leaves, flowers, and fruits. Their roots are thick and strong. Tree usually live for many years. Next, shrubs. Shrubs are smaller than trees. They have hard branches. For example, rose and lemon. See here, students. These are trees. Coconut tree, banyan tree, and neem tree are the examples of trees. Next, shrubs. Shrubs examples in your book is given that henna, rose, and lemon plant are the examples of shrubs. Shrubs are smaller than trees. They are highly branched from the base of the stem. They have many thin, brown, and woody stems. Shrubs usually live for few years. Okay. Next, herbs. Herbs are very small. They have green and thin stems. Herbs, they usually live for 3 to 4 months. It can be used as medicine or to add flavor to food. They are mostly known for their smell. Okay. Examples of herbs are mint, parsley, and coriander. Look at your book here. Mint, parsley, and coriander. These are the examples of herbs. Okay. Next, climbers. Climbers have thin and long stems. They climb on other plants. Okay. Climbers, they cannot stand straight and need support to grow. They must climb on other plants, stick or walls to grow. For examples of climbers are money plant and grapevine. See here in your book, money plant and grapevine are given here. Two examples of climbers. Climbers, they cannot stand straight and need support to go. They must climb on other plants or walls or sticks to grow. Next, creepers. Plants lie on the ground. They have weak stem and thin branches. They usually bear a big fruit. Some plants lie, they grow along the ground. They usually bear a big fruit. For example, pumpkin and watermelon are the examples of creepers. Okay, students? Understood? Next, remember these all types of plants and what are the examples. All you should remember in your home. Let's next part will continue in next session. Okay. Thank you.